Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, and here basically we are talking about one topic, that is currencies. Basically, in this currencies, basically we discussed that one person basically is searching for the job, and in front of me basically one World Bank person is there, and there are lots of people also basically who are basically telling that no, he is not supposed to get job, he is not supposed to get job, and literally basically they all basically jumps into him basically, and basically say that basically give me your PAN card number, give me your Aadhaar card number, like this basically for what purpose they are asking, so that basically they can block his resume and block basically his income basically. So that basically he is not supposed to earn a rupees also basically. That type of basically the groups do the plan. Now here the question is basically, now here the question is, the group basically who do plan basically, they basically don't they basically nothing happens to that group basically, nothing basically happens to that group basically, nothing happens to that group basically. Then one person told that basically अरे अरे बाबा ये कलयुग चल रहा है. Here basically who basically do bad ना, they only gets more basically. Then one person told that was कलयुग के बाद कोई युग है. Then one person told that basically no यार, there is no युग, sorry, this is last युग, this is last युग, sorry basically, there is no युग. So that basically was the discussion between universe group and the earth planet group basically. So the earth planet, that person basically literally they got that information that basically after this yug basically there is no yug. So what happened actually, he basically, the group basically who got the information, they literally left to Mars planet, they literally left to Mars planet, and they basically started their journey there basically. So in this world basically there are many people basically who left to Mars planet, and they started their journey because they are telling that basically if universe group is telling that there is no yug after Kalyug, then basically they might be telling correct only basically, they might be telling correct only. So how basically that group basically decided that this is the last yug, on the basis of what parameter they have decided? There might be some parameter no? Basically they have decided is this basically the entire political people are corrupt, or is it like this, that basically entire businessmen basically are corrupt, or is it like that basically the entire system basically are corrupt? Then he told that basically no, yeah, basically there are basically some other reasons also, or is it that basically the Sunil R Nair basically got cry in India basically, due to that basically you are going to end the world? Then he told no, basically it's not like that basically. That is basically Sunil R Nair got cry basically, that is 100% sure basically, by India land, that is 100% sure basically, that is 100% sure. But that is basically not the reason basically, but then I will let you know the reason basically after some time basically, what actually the reason is basically, why the this is the last yug basically. Then he told that basically again he basically asked, the Sunil R Nair got a cry in India basically land, due to that basically you are ending the world. Then he told that no, basically it's not like that basically, yeah. It's not like that basically. So Indian girls basically given cry to Sunil R Nair, that's why you are ending the world. Then he told that no, Indian girls basically has not given the cry. Then basically he told that basically I will let you know later on basically why the yug is basically last yug of Earth planet. So later on basically he told that basically I will discuss with you, and I will let you know basically why the yug, Kali Yuga is the last yug basically. So now basically we are discussing actually the currencies basically, what actually the currencies are. Currencies basically are connected with the set of incidents basically, that are 3 lakh incidents basically created by political group basically which are still sitting in Delhi Parliament House, and that they group basically told that basically we have created 3 lakh multiply by 3 lakh combination, so that basically the never basically whatever incidents basically happen today basically, that basically never going to happen tomorrow basically. If by chance happens, then basically the chain basically which is going to generate, that will never going to generate. So that basically the plan basically says. That basically is the plan basically which says basically. Then basically he told that basically last basically we discussed one example basically. That person, do you know basically which is he is going? Yeah, that person, no? Yeah, that person is Pune. That is Pune person basically. Then he told that what actually Pune by doesn't get to here basically. Then he told that he basically contains each and every information, whatever incidents basically happened in the Pune, na, that information basically he have basically. For example, one person basically asked his PAN number, and basically he banned that person basically, so that basically he is not supposed to earn the income. So that incidents basically was handled in the digital wise basically. Then basically one person asked his Aadhaar card number and told that basically show me your Aadhaar card number. That person actually banned his resume and basically told that basically you are not going to get the job. Then basically one person told that basically basically you have any offer basically in your hand basically. Then he told that basically yeah basically I have one offer in your hand. So basically he basically told that basically the resume person basically who basically sent the resume, he basically sent the resume with yes basically I have a offer. Like this basically that recruiter basically the literally basically told the another consultancy that this person is basically not good, so you can basically do one thing, you can cancel his offer letter. Then literally they cancelled the offer letter. Yeah. So this all actually what actually these all are basically incidents basically, right? These all are basically incidents basically which happened. Assume basically it happened in Pune city. So that incidents basically which has happened in Pune city, that everything basically has converted into Pune blood cells. Incidents which has happened, that basically each and every incident basically has converted into Pune blood cells. PUNE, Pune blood cells. Now here the basically assume that Pune blood cells basically got infected due to this all incidents basically. Now basically they are going to what do? They are going to check basically what are the reason why basically the person's basically blood cells got infected. Each and everything basically they started it. Then basically they track that basically this person basically asked the resume, and basically he basically told that basically do you have any offer letter in your hand. That also basically they asked. Then basically they told that basically we actually cancelled his cancelled his offer letter. That actually was the reason basically behind the Pune blood cells basically got infected. So just see basically the dangerous minor thing basically. So each and every incidents basically which happens in the Mumbai city, happens in the Vadodara city, happens in the Pune city, that each and everything basically are tracked basically in the form of energy basically. So on last day of world basically, these all are going to be calculated. That is the main thing basically here. That is the basically main thing which is going to happen. 100%. So like this basically he told that basically the Pune city basically cancelled the offer letter, and basically due to cancel the offer letter, that Pune blood cells basically got affected. Yeah, basically the Pune blood cells basically got affected. Pune blood cells actually got affected basically. So everybody basically nowadays what happens? The human resource basically checks each and every verification, and they literally basically bans the resume only basically. The resume basically who are going to create the problem basically. So like this basically they started the system basically. So each and everything basically starts, that also basically generates the energy. So literally basically they bans the resume, so that basically not a single recruiter basically can contact that person only basically. So that if he will contact, then only basically the energy is going to generate. So this type of idea basically one human resource person basically got, and he basically implemented it. In next video we are going to see of the implementation what are the things basically happened in Pune city.